Hey YouTube, this video is just a really quick one to show you guys how to check which version of Windows you have installed on your machine, because there's about 20 different versions, to be honest, probably even many more. Now in order to show you that, there's actually a couple of ways to do it. I'll show you both ways very quickly. The first one is by opening up a folder just very quickly there and right clicking on this PC and then going to Properties. And then when you go to Properties, you'll see, of course, it's Windows 10, but within Windows 10, it's Windows 10 Home. Now, another way to do that is if you were to type in, let's see, System Information, another app there, shows you the same basic information, Microsoft Windows 10 Home, the fully qualified name for that one there. So that is really two ways in which to see which version of Windows 10 or Windows in general you have on your machine there. So very easy, simple to do. Yeah, it can be helpful when you need to install certain applications that require certain types of Windows machines. So it just keeps you in the know. You know exactly what you're doing, how you're doing it, why you're doing it, all sorts of things like that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and all of those nice things. It really helps me, so I really appreciate that. Thanks guys again, and yeah, as always, thanks for watching.